Gen 5 full-on style build project, wide body, new bumper, all the amazing stuff that we're doing for Dom is in the styling facility right now. As we started right now, we went and go ahead and gave him a chrome delete on top of his molding. So as you can see, he's got a nice gloss 3M 2080 series to cover up and give him that gloss black accent going over with the theme of having an auto gray with the carbon hood. We also removed the roof wrap for him when we fully wrapped him before to kind of give him a full-on gloss luxury look to contrast everything. And lastly, we wrapped the molding right around there, which just came out really nice. It's a cool, awesome idea that he brought up to us, and to give him that final gloss black touch is definitely gonna make his roof stand out a lot more. Just wanted to show you guys exactly the difference between what Dom was rocking around his mold trim over here. You can see it's a very flat, dark black color. Giving it over with the contrast with the new 2080 gloss black film. Such a big difference. Even makes an auto gray Nancy-Tech film that we wrapped for him pops out even more than the usual. So this right here is a must. If you guys are interested in this, please let us know. We're more than happy to help you guys out. We are very excited to show you guys a new product that you guys have been asking us for the longest time. Lots of emails, DMs, phone calls about this Gen 5 bumper. Let's dive into all the details, guys, and move forward from there. Alright guys, so we are very excited to show you guys this on the Gen 5, and we wanted to take the time and shout out Dominique for giving us this opportunity. Dom is a great client of ours. We have built his car from scratch when it was gloss black to now to see where it's at. We're gonna give you guys all the inside and behind the scenes right now to go to our body shop facility to show you the wide body install, the ZL1 1LE Gen 6 style on his Gen 5 and on airbags. So we're gonna go ahead and take you guys, show you everything that's happening with this car, and he will be the first candidate to go ahead and rock this bumper in the United States. So it's extremely special. We appreciate his trust in allowing us to give him this opportunity to show you guys the fitment and the great looking 1LE look for the Gen 6 style on a Gen 5. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump to our body shop facility, show you guys all the work that we're doing to make sure this bumper looks really good and well, and move forward from there. Alright guys, we're back here to our body shop facility where we're getting Dom's car ready to go ahead and give to him today. As you can see, the rear fender is almost done being put on. We did primer and wrap the wide body. So if you guys are wanting to get the wide body not painted but wrapped, we can also offer those services by primering the body kit. Then after that, we'll go ahead and wrap it, which is, I think, a better option for everyone, since if you guys do wrap the cars a lot and want to change up the color, it's an amazing way to keep changing your colors at your comfort zone without having to keep repainting. All we have to do is just peel off the wrap and add the next color wrap that you guys choose to do so. Alright guys, this is the front piece. As you can see, we have the front body kit for the passenger side front fender. This was also wrapped in auto gray, so we did accent it a little bit with some gloss black accents. That's still in the making for our client to make sure Dom gets the look that he wants. But this will be going over here. As you can see, we did cut with the car being wrapped. We were aiming not to wrap his car because the cutting was so clean, so we don't really have to wrap the whole car or the whole fender all over again to make sure we give him the clean look. So let's go ahead and just kind of see it by putting over on the front fender to see how the color matches with all the auto gray that he has. Gen 5 full wide body kit, a lot of carbon components been added, roll call, chrome delete, the new ZL1 1LE front bumper for the Gen 5. There's a lot going on in this build. Let's go ahead and highlight all the details that we've worked on with this car right here and go over all the parts that's been added. Alright guys, so the first thing that I would like to talk to you guys about is the new bumper that we're launching for the Gen 5. This is going to be the ZL1 1LE front bumper conversion, the 6th gen style that fits for this Gen 5. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of parts that's been added that's not included with our bumper. For example, the carbon fiber canards. These are a separate purchase that will fit the bumper. So for the 1LE's Gen 6 conversion kit for the Gen 5 fitment, as you can see, our client Dom got the carbon fiber APR canards. These don't come with the bumper. You guys have to purchase those separately, but these are the canards that come when you guys purchase the bumper to get the 1LE style look. So if you guys like this right here, you guys can keep it, or if you guys want to add the carbon canards, more than welcome to purchase that as well with us. And then down to the 1LE bumper, as you can see guys, I love the lower grille. That's one of the reasons why Dom pulled the trigger on this, and he's also the first to rock this, is the 3D look that you'll get on both sides with the grille popping out sideways. As you can see as well, right on the bottom, the front 1LE lip, it's a one big piece, a lot bigger than the ZL1, not a two piece, so it covers everything up to the lower grille. It's a very aggressive bumper. It's gonna make your Gen 5 stand out really well, and at the same time, you're gonna get the Gen 6 1LE look on your Gen 5. The 1LE bumper comes with the fog light bezels, and you're able to put the fog light ZL1 style with that and have the canards, the 1LE lip, the lower grille, the upper grille, and of course the entire bumper. So take advantage of this opportunity. This bumper is available on our website to purchase, free shipping everywhere, and please let us know if you guys have any questions on fitment. The 1LE bumper fully highlighted. Let's go ahead and dive into the custom lighting and the Gen 6 style headlights. As you can see, he's rocking the VLANs headlights, which gives his car a Gen 6 style with all the custom lighting on the DRL and the halo rings on both sides. And down to the bottom on the fog lights, as you can see, everything is being controlled via Bluetooth, color changing and chasing. As well, these are the 16 to 18 ZL1 fog light that fits this bumper. You guys can get a set of those, and if you guys want them to get in custom lighting, you guys have to send us an inquiry to make those happen. But if not, everything will be regular white. Same thing with the DRL being white without the halo. Going over to the top, guys, the Terminator carbon fiber hood by VIS Racing. It's a very aggressive hood. Gives this car a whole mean aggressive look. One of my favorite hoods, as you can see on this build, especially contrasting it with the 1LE bumper and all the lighting that's going on. So it's definitely blending in really well with this build, and it's giving it the right look that it deserves. One of the cool things that we wanted to make this car more special and make it more involved in the auto community by adding a custom roll call in gloss carbon fiber. As you can see, he's rocking our name on the front with some nittos, the MPE, the King's wraps, and airlift performance. Obviously he's on full airbags as well. That right there kind of makes the build more special and involved in the auto community. So when he goes to a car show, he's promoting all the brands that he's rocking with his build. We are super happy and to announce our first Gen 5 rear diffuser in carbon fiber that we were able to supply and install for Dom. This Anderson Composites ZL1 Gen 5 style gives the whole car a whole different look in the back, especially contrasting it with the Innospec Nardo Gray wrap, and given the carbon fiber style, it's a very great combination to give the car the look that it deserves. Fitment wise, guys, as you can see, is extremely well. I'm extremely happy with the way Anderson made this. You know, if you guys are interested, we are gonna start launching diffusers and carbon fiber for the Gen 5 owners. Nardo Gray Super Gloss Innospec film, shout out to you guys. This Innospec film, guys, is a killer. It's making this build stand out more than it should be. It's giving it a true gloss Nardo Gray look, and at the same time it's blending really well with the styling that we've given our client Dom, with the carbon components, the airbags, the wide body, you name it. So Innospec, if you guys are interested in getting any car wrapped by their film, let us know. Let's save the best for last. What exactly took the most time, you know, hours, sleepless nights to go ahead and accomplish this build for him. Introducing the Gen 5 wide body, full-on airbags, wheel adapters with the 1LE rep wheels and some Nitto tires. Let's go ahead and dive into all the details, show you guys the front setup and show you guys the back setup as well. Going over the wide body, guys, as you can see in the front fitment, we actually had to get wheel adapters temporary to go ahead and give our client a nice fitment in the front. He is aired out right now completely with airlift performance and 3P air management, but the front is super aggressive. As you can see, he's got a 3-piece front kit. He's got the front wide body piece right here that blends in with the front bumper, and then on top of that goes over a nice wide fender that had to be cut to make sure it blends in with the side fenders to give the car a very aggressive wide look. Moving over to the bottom, guys, as you can see, the wide body also comes with 3 dive planes that go ahead and completes the front look. It gives it a very aggressive look and a unique shape to make his car really stand out from any other wide bodies. The back wide body kit, guys, one of my favorite. As you can see, it's giving the car such a mean, aggressive, wide, thick, you name it, whatever it is. Definitely completes the car. If you guys look at this from a side angle, standing tall, just a whole different car. As well, you see we did put the wheel adapters on the bottom to go ahead and push out the fitment a little bit more further. We are planning on working on custom wheels for our client, but temporary, since he wanted to enjoy and rock the 1LE Gen 6 reps. We went and go ahead and got him the wheel adapters, but fitment wise right now is exactly what our client wanted. We didn't want it to push it too much to prevent any hitting or cracking on the wide body. Therefore, this was the perfect, and I believe we went 2-inch all around wheel adapters. There you guys have it, the Gen 5 fully completed, the ZL1 1LE Gen 6 style new bumper launch for Dom to be the first one to rock this. The wide body kit, the carbon canards, the carbon hood, the full-on wrap, the roll call, the chrome delete gloss black, the carbon diffuser, and I can just keep going on. I hope you guys like this build. It's been such an amazing, a good month and a half full-on work. We've added a lot of stuff that Dom wanted to do as well, but at the same time, overall, guys, the final results on this build is extremely satisfying and an eye catcher, and for sure a head-turning build. If you guys are interested on getting some work done, such as wide body, carbon, bumper, anything that you guys are interested, please let us know. You guys can contact us via email, sales@autoaddictusa.com, or let us know in the comments what you wish to do on your build. If you guys haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We have a lot more builds that we're working on. After finishing up this Gen 5 wide body, we do have a Gen 6 that we're working on to finish up as well. We're gonna make sure we hit them on a nice collab to show you guys the 2 wide body builds on the Gen 5 and Gen 6. Also, make sure you guys hit that notification bell button so you guys are always alerted every time we post. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. We appreciate you guys' support. We can't wait to show you guys more builds. Peace. As you can see, we did remove we fully wrapped him up. Action. All right, guys, as you can see, this bumper comes with the carbon. No, it does not. Shout out to EnoStack for just pretty much, I don't know what to say. But if you guys are interested in painting it as well, we'll be more than happy to provide that service for you guys. Surface or service?